What is up, Seasoning Gang and Cravers? I know it's been a long time since you've seen this ugly face on here, but hey, it's time to cook. How about we do some grilled loaded onion burgers today? Anybody? All right, Seasoning Gang and Cravers, and for all my new subscribers that don't know what Seasoning Gang and Cravers are, you got to go back and watch my video, get your Seasoning Gang up, and you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, so today we're going to be making these loaded stuffed onion burgers on the grill. Of course, the star of the show is ground beef. You can use ground turkey if you want to. We normally do ground turkey, but today we had taste for beef. We're gonna use some actual ground pepper this time instead of the coarse pepper that I normally use. I got Kobe, quesadilla cheese or whatever to stuff it with. You can get whatever kind you like. Beefy onion. We're gonna use some bacon. We're gonna chop up and some bell pepper. All right, so let's get this ground beef inside this bowl, and I'm gonna show you how to add everything and what to do. Let's open up. And for all my new subscribers, I am not a chef, just a regular cook. Not telling you to do it the way that I do it, because remember, your way is always gonna be right. I'm just showing you how I do it. So just sit back and enjoy the video. If it's something that you'd like to do, then maybe next time you can make your recipe like this. First, I got the ground beef inside the bowl. I'm gonna take a packet of this Lipton onion soup mix, the beefy onion mix. Just dump that right in there. I had another one that I used yesterday making some of these burgers because I had a request for more. Got to go over and take this to a family member's house. Gonna put like a pack and a half in there. All right, I'm gonna get some of this cheese here that I told you about. I always have trouble opening up these little zip bags. You're gonna drop about a half a cup of cheese in there, or you can do more if you want to. It's up to you. All right, next we're gonna open up this ground pepper. Give me just a second to get this sucker open. It's new, just bought it today. Didn't wanna do the thick pepper bits in there for the kids. So you're gonna put probably about a tablespoon of black pepper in there. But I like a little more, so I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons in mine. If you got kids eating this, like these kids, they like pepper, but they don't like spicy, like jalapenos and stuff. But my family, they love peppers. So I got that in there. Now I'm about to chop up a whole bell pepper and put it inside. I'll catch back up with you after I get done with that. All right, as I told you, the bell pepper was gonna turn out pretty good. Went ahead and fried that bacon up and got it in there too. I'm gonna dump all this inside of my bowl. Dump it, and then I slide the bowl back over here so you can see. There you go. Get all that dumped in there. Did 3 pieces of bacon. I did them kind of crunchy and dark and crumbled them up. All right, my camera shut off on me, but anyway, there you go. It's all mixed up. Yeah, what I normally like to do is just get this offset smoker set up and get it real hot on this side because I'm gonna smoke some ribs and stuff after this. And all the heat comes through and it'll hit right there where that pocket is that runs from that part to that part. All right, here are the patties. Of course I had to show you this. Don't be talking about my pan. I use that like a Blackstone on top of my grill to keep from buying a Blackstone because I don't need it. I don't use stuff like that all the time. So I just use this old pizza pan that I had. So that's why it looks burnt. Anyway, I made one big burger, of course, for the thumbnail. Got to show out just a little bit. This is 80-20 and it's 2.5 pounds of ground beef because I forgot to tell you that in the beginning. All right, let's go out to the grill. All right. Open that firebox up. As you can see, it's jumping on up to 300. Let's get these suckers on here. All right. That's where the grill is. Let's see what they're doing. See that, all that heat coming in, see that drawing up? That's country drawing up. They're shrinking. All right. I know some of you ask me what kind of grill I'm using. A lot of time, you know, I always buy new grills because I burn them out. But that's what it is. And I got this one at Home Depot. I think it was $6.50 and I caught it on sale for $3.15, so I bought it. But anyway, you see that fires up, and it's a really thick gauge too. This is heavy. It's not like those other ones that I normally buy. It's pretty thick. Anyway, see what your burgers are looking like. Let me let this spout back. I always forget to put this sucker back the other way, or else this won't open all the way. But you see what the burgers are looking like. It's time to flip them. They're cooking up perfectly. See that? And they're not getting smoked. They're just slow cooking. Take your spatula, squeeze. See the clear? That's how you know it's done. Let them red coming out of there, it's good. See? It's all good. Even the big one, see there? It's done, guys. If you're unsure about your burgers being done, wrap them up in a little foil, leave them on there for 5 or 10 more minutes, and they'll be surely done at that point. Anyway, thanks for watching. Watch for the picture at the end. This is what the inside of the burger looks like.